trip.
Try not to get COVID this time.
Try not to get COVID this time. Yeah. And we are going to spend the night in St. Louis, check out the Gateway Arch, check out the museum there. We'll talk to you soon. We are checking in to the Drury Plaza Hotel in downtown St. Louis. We are going to be checking out the arch here momentarily once we get checked in, get settled in, and then we're going to go out for a nice dinner and then spend some quality time with the missus. We're in St. Louis. We're going to head up to the top here in a couple hours. I'm not recording at all.
Liar.
Still not recording.
You go all the way up and down. You can get the moon in it.
Yeah.
There's where we were laying down.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. No, you can't do it.
There. I can't go out any further. My arm's not long enough.
That's okay.
Get back here.
Turn it this way.
See? Now, no. How do we go down? Here we go. There we go. I'm stalking Mrs. Hoosier. Still stalking. She took the hard way. I took the easy way. I'm on the escalator. She's on the stairs. I'm stalking you. time capsule in there.
Always.
Let's see.
1965. That was before I was born.
Yep.
It says it over here.
When is it supposed to be opened? Oh, you have to take the arch apart to see the contents. Like it can't. You'll never be able to see the contents of the time capsule.
Oh, someone will take it out. Someone will do it just to open the time capsule.
So this is the. This is exactly what it is. How it is upstairs. They got cameras. It's live. For the people that don't want to go up there. So that's facing east. And this is facing west. That's us.